Today we are making a bright microwave strawberry lemonade granita. It serves 4 people and the prep time is 3 hours 30 minutes, mostly chilling. Let us get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 pound fresh strawberries, hulled. Choose ripe, sweet berries for the best color and flavor. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. This will sweeten and help form delicate ice crystals. 1 cup water. We will microwave this with the sugar for a quick syrup. 1 gram of ground black pepper. It adds a gentle warmth. 2 liters of water for boiling. We will use it to poach the rings before baking. 10 grams of coarse salt for the boiling water. It seasons the exterior during poaching. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. In a large bowl, whisk together 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 10 grams of fine salt, 6 grams of fennel seeds, and 1 gram of ground black pepper until everything is evenly combined. Make a well in the center and pour in 120 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil and 150 milliliters of dry white wine. Stir with a wooden spoon until a shaggy dough forms, then move it to the counter and knead for 5 to 7 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Shape the dough into a ball, cover the bowl, and let it rest for 20 minutes at room temperature. While the dough rests, bring 2 liters of water with 10 grams of coarse salt to a gentle boil in a large stainless steel pot. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius and line 2 rimmed baking sheets with parchment paper. Divide the dough into about 24 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a rope about 12 to 14 centimeters long. Form each rope into a ring, overlap the ends, and press firmly to seal so they do not open during boiling. Boil in batches. Slip 6 to 8 rings into the simmering water. When they float after about 1 to 2 minutes, lift them out with a slotted spoon and drain briefly. Arrange the boiled rings on the prepared baking sheets, leaving a little space between each one. Bake for 22 to 28 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius, until the taralli are lightly golden and crisp. Rotate the baking sheets halfway through the bake for even color. Transfer the baked taralli to a wire rack and let them cool for 10 minutes. Serve warm or at room temperature, and store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 7 days. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Taralli Pugliesi, crisp and fragrant. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time.